I have a very, very different way of using wholesale to build my Amazon FBA business. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using wholesale to build and grow and make money in my Amazon business. Now, if that's the kind of information where I'm helping you build your own Amazon business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below. I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. There's a couple of ways. I'm going to talk about what I do with wholesale. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that I personally use wholesale. The primary thing I use wholesale for is to test ideas, and to more so to gain understanding about the marketplace and the types of customer that I'm going to be selling to. Okay, so one of the things that I am very, very interested in right now is diapers, is baby nappies. Okay, not for me, thank you, but I think that's an incredible category on Amazon. And so I'm looking for something unique within that particular category. Okay. Anyway,
Neil,
so
where do we test ideas? Which platform is best? eBay?
well, they both are as good as each other. I guess the advantage of eBay would be, but you get that same advantage if you go into Amazon. Yeah, they're both as good as each other. And if anything, you ought to test on both. I mean, ought to. Clearly, that's not for everybody, but that would at least give you some insights. What I have discovered is that eBay shoppers tend to be quite loyal to eBay. Amazon shoppers tend to be quite loyal to Amazon. So just like, you know, if you've got two supermarkets in your town, you've got a Coles and a Woolies, you'll tend to shop at one of them. Regardless of the fact that they're basically selling the same things, you tend to shop and stay shopping on one of them. Okay, so where was I with wholesale? Testing ideas. So that's what I predominantly use it for. I approach this from the perspective of I'm an imbecile, which my wife and children would absolutely agree with, and I don't know anything at all. And I feel like if I approach a situation, a marketing problem like that, then I don't bring my own bullshit to bear upon the problem. I just let the market tell me the best way of approaching a particular thing. And so the wholesaling and using wholesale is a really great way of testing out ideas really very, very cheaply with very little risk. And as a result of that, getting some very valuable insights and data back about what your marketplace is, what they react to, what search terms are great search terms to go after. Potentially, if you fulfill yourself, you get all of the customer details as well, so you can talk to people, find out why they purchased. This is all really great market research for you. So I use it for that. Anyway, the other thing I use it for as well is I use it for creating bundles. Like if I've got a private label product and I'm considering bundling that private label product, I will oftentimes take the product, or this, whatever it may be, wholesale 10 units of a thing that I think might go with it, put them together, put them onto Amazon as a bundle and see how that goes. I think that's a really good utilization of wholesale as well. Anything else I would definitely use it for? I don't think so. I think that's kind of like a good insight. So the thing that I would say about wholesale is it is not as anywhere near as profitable as private label. Like not even close. Okay, so don't think about wholesale as being your making money strategy. Whilst you can make some money, you won't make much money. Okay, Gone are the days, for instance, when drop shipping works on Amazon or eBay or something like that. That's just bullshit. It just doesn't work anymore because all products that are launched onto Amazon now require some marketing to get them there, and drop shipping, things like that, they just don't have the margins to facilitate that they used to have. Okay, same for wholesale. Like, it just doesn't have the margins long term for that to be mega profitable for you, unlike private label. So don't think of it like that. Approach it with the right expectation, and then you're not disappointed when it doesn't do the thing that you wanted it to do. Unmet expectations are the biggest killer in most things, relationships, things like that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of online entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Link for that is in the description. Till next time, bye.